Hello students, this is a short video tutorial on how to access your team's assignments. So you're in Mrs. Butler's homeroom. So you click Mrs. Butler's homeroom and then go to General and Assignments to see all your assignments for this week. They look like a lot of assignments. That really the one that you need to do is this one, All About Me. Okay, we'll go back. Warm-ups, the 4-step problem solving strategy practice. Okay, you're going to need to practice because there will be a test on Friday. And you need to view the case problem solving videos with sample problems. Here are 2 videos, and I can see who see the videos and who didn't see the video. Okay, so let's go in detail step by step. I'm going to start with the easiest one first because it's also going to be due by Friday and it's an easy one to make 100. The goal of this activity is for me to be able to see you and know how you look like because I didn't get to see you in person. So I would like you to make a PowerPoint presentation. Click this one. Okay. In this presentation, you need to write your first and last name on the title page. That's 25 points. And then you need to put a picture of yourself. So you just insert a video. Insert a picture of yourself in there. And then write to, so insert pictures from this device. Maybe I have a picture. We have a picture here. Okay, I don't know what pictures this. I hope it's nothing bad. Oh, that's me. Yay. So insert picture. And then write 2 fun facts. The picture is 25 points and 2 fun facts about me are 25 points as well. So that would be 95 points. And then if you change the background, the way you do that, you go to design and change the background. Yeah, that's 5 points. So total will be 100 points. That's due by Friday. Okay, that's simple enough. And then you don't have to do anything, or you need to click turn in for me to be able to see your work. Okay, let me fix that because it has somebody else's name. It's literally take 5 minutes to do. Okay, so okay, so that's one assignment. Okay, and remember to turn in. The turn in button is on this side of your, I think it's on the top right hand side of your assignment. That's one. Okay, the next one you need to look is this journal entry. These have the 4-step problem solving strategy and how to think about problem. Okay, and I also make a video which you can find on this one. It says case problem solving videos with sample problems. Okay, and here's the video. Okay, so that's one. And then if I can get out of here. Okay, let's go back to math. Okay, and this is the sample problem. Okay, so just watch this video and it will give you how to apply the 4-step problem solving strategy. Okay, so, and then another one that you need to do is the warm-up. This is graded, but seriously, I already included the key in there. So you just have to do your own work. But if you don't know how to do it, I've included a key. So you could peek a little bit, okay? I'm going to post another practice tonight, and then you need to do that so you are ready for the test on Friday. If you have any questions, please do email me. So let me recap. To get your assignments, you just go to assignment button here. It will be all listed in here. The only one that are graded are warm-ups, all about me, and there will be a weekly test. But please do the practice questions. And if the journal entries and references are just for your reference, so you could look at it here, okay? I hope this helped you navigate Teams. Thank you for watching.